I'm a pretty girl.
Hmm?
I'm a pretty girl.
You are a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl on a motorcycle.
But my hair's messy.
Your hair is messy. I think it looks so pretty.
See you later.
Gracie, are you having fun on Uncle Benny's motorcycle?
Don't turn it on.
Don't turn. Okay, I won't turn it on. Special for you.
It's a little wet.
It's a little wet. I know, because it's raining outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. What does the motorcycle make?
Noise.
Noise.
No.
Vroom vroom.
No.
Vroom vroom.
No.
No. Careful, careful. Don't try to get off by yourself. I got you. You want to say bye to the camera? Say bye, Gracie. Gracie. Hey.
Gracie, I see Abraham.
Tush. What's up, Michelle? Gracie, say bye.
You're gonna like put them.
Gracie Poo. Say bye. Oh, she's so tushy. I want to eat you.